These are the headlines for today evening. Bitcoin inches towards $29,000, Ether trades above $1,800. Bitget pledges $10 million for Fetch.ai ecosystem amid ChatGPT boom. DEX, Merlin and CertiK plan to compensate $2 million to users impacted in Rugpull. Hong Kong security regulator to issue crypto license guidelines in May. Crypto storage provider Zodia custody raises $36 million from SBI Holdings Standard Chartered. Hello and welcome to Credo TV. I am Vishakha Thakur. Virtual digital assets or VDA markets traded mixed on Thursday as liquidation pressure prompted sell-off in the overall markets while potential curb on First Republic Bank and the tech company's earnings beat spurred bouts of buying activity. Bitcoin reclaimed the crucial $29,000 mark. Ruchi Sharma joins us to tell us how the global cryptocurrency market is performing today.
IC 15 index of cryptocurrencies was trading down by 0.3% at 39,200 points. In an interesting news, the Securities and Futures Commission of Hong Kong intends to provide more information about the city's expanding cryptocurrency regulatory environment next month. Julia Leong, the CEO of the regulator, announcement at an event that rules on the licensing framework for virtual asset exchanges would be released in May. Data from Cointelegraph TradingView indicated Bitcoin traded near $29,000, up nearly $2,000 from the prior day's low. However, Bitcoin's price was impacted by fears that BTC from wallets controlled by the US governments and the entities related to defunct exchange Mt. Gox were on the move. Moving on, it was discovered that these rumors turned out to be false. On the economic front, investors will keep an eye on the US GDP data scheduled later in the day. Market participants anticipate an expansion of the US economy at an annualized rate of 2.0% versus previous month's 2.6% growth recorded in the GDP report for the fourth quarter of 2022. Additionally, initial jobless claims data will also play a crucial role in the overall global markets, which will be released later in the day as well. The global cryptocurrency market cap was trading around $1.2 trillion, decreasing 1% in the last 24 hours. However, the total crypto market volume increased by 57% to stand at $69 billion. Meanwhile, traders endured losses at $310 million from liquidations in the past 24 hours, according to CoinGlass data, as the wild swing in crypto prices liquidated for both long and short positions. Going forward, the Federal Reserve's recent aggressive string of interest rate hikes is also expected to show signs of weighing on broader activity. The Federal Reserve is expected to rate hike by another 25 basis points the following week, bringing the federal funds goal to a range of 5% to 5.25%. US stock futures rose as Wall Street cheered the latest quarterly reports for results from Facebook parent Meta. Nasdaq 100 futures gained 0.8%, while S&P 500 futures added 0.5%. Futures linked to the Dow Jones Industrial Average advanced by 70 points or 0.2%. Bitcoin was trading at $29,005, down 0.2%. Ethereum, the second largest crypto, was down by 1.7%, trading at $1,890. BNB was down by 2.6% to trade at $330. Solana SOL was down 4% and was trading at $21.6. Avalanche AVAX was trading at $17.4, lower 3%. Polygon Matic was trading down by 4.1% to trade at $0.99. Doge, the popular meme coin, was trading down by 2.7% at $0.079. Shiba Inu was trading down by 2.5%. Ripple's XRP token traded at $0.45, down by 3.1%. Polkadot was down by 3.3% to trade at $5.9. However, Cardano's ADA token was up by 0.2% to trade at $0.40.
Thank you, Ruchi, for your in-depth analysis of the global cryptocurrency market. And now back to the headlines. Bitget has pledged $10 million for the development of Fetch.ai ecosystem, the cryptocurrency derivatives exchange announced on April 27th. Fetch.ai provides the infrastructure to build autonomous services. Its core product is the AI Agent Network, a decentralized network of autonomous agents that can perform various tasks such as data analysis and complex financial modeling. Commenting on the pledge, Bitget cited the recent AI hype generated by ChatGPT, which raises more possibilities of this technology in improving human productivity and creativity. According to CoinGecko, Bitget is currently the world's 8th largest crypto spot exchange with a daily transaction volume of $990 million. The exchange, based in Seychelles, serves over 8 million users in more than 100 countries and regions. ZK Sync-based decentralized exchange Merlin plans to compensate users impacted in a nearly $2 million Rugpull with blockchain audit firm CertiK. CertiK is actively investigating the recent Merlin DEX exit scam, where rogue developers are suspected of causing the loss of around $2 million in user funds. The rogue developer is urged to return 80% of the stolen funds and accept a 20% white hat bounty, CertiK said. A Rugpull is a type of exit scam in which the perpetrators create a new token, launch a liquidity pool for it, and pair it with a base token like Ether or a stablecoin like DAI. A liquidity pool is a large pool of tokens that a protocol uses to fulfill trades, as opposed to an order book system where buyers and sellers list their trade orders and wait to be filled. The Hong Kong Securities Future Commission is reportedly set to release cryptocurrency exchange licensing guidelines next month. The incoming guidelines will provide support to crypto trading platforms that will be able to offer trading services to retail investors on June 1st. SFC's CEP Julia Leung said the consultation process on the licensing regime revived over 150 responses from interested parties. Anti-money laundering and know your client regulatory requirements were some of the key considerations made in the February 20 report that Leung was presumably referring to. While confirmation awaits for most prospective virtual asset service provider licensees, some trading platforms have already begun offering crypto-related services to investors under the SFC's supervision. Cryptocurrency storage provider Zodia Custody has raised $36 million in funding from Japanese financial services firm SBI Holdings and SC Ventures, the venture arm of Zodia's parent company Standard Chartered. Zodia Custody, which provides digital asset custody services to institutional clients, will use the funding to increase its token coverage and enhance its settlement product Interchange, which protects clients' assets that are traded on exchanges. The funding round demonstrates the continuing appetite for custodians providing crypto storage services that fit the bill for financial institutions. The London-based firm is majority-owned by Standard Chartered, with American financial services company Northern Trust owning a minority stake. And now let's go to Ruchi Sharma to get an update on the 3 buzzing stocks of the day.
Hosky, a Cardano-based meme token, has had an 8% spike in price and a 173% increase in trading volume in the previous 24 hours, according to CoinMarketCap. This is despite the fact that the whole market capitalization of the altcoin market, excluding Bitcoin and Ethereum, has fallen by 8% since Wednesday, equivalent to a loss of $32.44 billion. Hosky to USD conversion by CoinMarketCap, Hosky had lost 15.7% of its value during the previous 4 days, mirroring the rest of the market. Hosky, on the other hand, has made a comeback which can be related to the recent rise of meme cryptocurrencies. This resurgence occurred just as the severe market correction began. One of the most talked about meme tokens in this movement was Pepe token, which managed to create a buzz on the market despite having no foundation and dubious roots. The current positive performance of Hosky has come as a surprise, especially considering the unfavorable market conditions. Hosky was trading 2.1% up in the last 24 hours with a market capitalization of $2 million. The price of INJ, which bills itself as the quickest proof-of-stake layer 1 network defines the future of finance, has just risen. It has increased by more than 50%, placing it in the top 100 cryptocurrencies in terms of market capitalization. Unique characteristics of the platform include plug-and-play financial infrastructure primitives, oracles, and composable smart contract layer using COSWASM and decentralized bridges. This allows developers to create sophisticated DeFi applications and allows everyone to access financial services without the requirement for an intermediary. The price of Injective token increased ahead of an announcement of a cooperation with Tencent's cloud division later this month. As per a Twitter put out by the Injective platform on April 17th, it noted that the two are partnering to support builders in the Injective ecosystem. This collaboration aims to contribute to the growth of the Injective ecosystem, starting with developers in the Injective Global Virtual Hackathon. INJ was trading at $8.82, up 9.08% in the last 24 hours, with a market capitalization of $7 million. Amazon Web Services, a cloud computing platform provided by the retail giant, collaborated with the Web3 startup that focuses on DeFi and blockchain games, Chronos Labs. CRO, the native token of the ecosystem, climbed by 13% shortly after the announcement. AWS disclosed on LinkedIn that it has teamed up with Chronos Labs to aid the Web3 sector, boost blockchain technology adoption, and develop DeFi, GameFi, SocialFi, and infrastructure applications. The blockchain startup shared the partnership on its Twitter account, saying that the Web3 growth will be supported via the Chronos Accelerator program. CRO, the native token of Crow Protocol Labs, soared simultaneously after the disclosure. It shot up to over $0.075 at 1.13% more than the valuation of 24 hours ago. Despite the recent price increase, the coin has been on a massive downfall for the past year, losing more than 81% of its value. Chronos was trading at $0.07, down 3.29% in the last 24 hours, with a market capitalization of $1 billion.
Thank you, Ruchi. Well, that's all in today's special bulletin. This is me, Vishakha Thakur, signing off. For more such updates, please like, share, and subscribe to 3.0 TV.